Hey guys, so today I'm here with a video on a very cool little Cydia tweak called DeepEnd. DeepEnd is a free tweak for your iPhone 4 or iPod Touch 4th generation that allows you to go ahead and make your home screen kind of look a little 3D. So let me just show you how it works. So if I start tilting it, you'll see that the background starts to change, giving it a really cool 3D effect. So as you kind of tilt it up, down, all around and everything, the background just kind of scrolls back and forth. This doesn't really have any practical value, but it's a really cool tweak. Show your friends, or just kind of just admire your background and everything. It looks pretty cool. So I definitely recommend guys check it out. It's a very simple tweak. You can find it. I will have it. You have to add a custom repo, but it is free, and it's not a piracy repo. I mean, this is actually legitly free. You guys can go ahead and check it out in the description of this video. Hopefully you guys know how to add a source in Cydia, but just add the source and you should be able to download it. It is called DeepEnd. Now there is only about one thing I have to really show you guys, and it's the settings. You can go ahead and change a lot of things. So for example, the zoom, what it does is it kind of zooms in on your standard background. So like if you can turn the zoom all the way up, or not all the way up, but up farther, and the effect will look a little bit better, but the problem is your background will kind of look a little bit pixelated and low quality. So I recommend go ahead and just kind of experiment around with the settings, see what looks best for you. Also try different wallpapers because some will work better than others. But overall, it's a really cool effect, and I definitely recommend you guys check it out.